Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone Soundcore P3 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top. Now go to settings. After that open the charging case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. But if it doesn't, just press and hold connection button right here for at least 3 seconds. So, did we see it? No. So, I'm just press and hold. Oh, and we start see it. Now, click connect. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.